I upgraded the Skytech Blaze 3.0, and after I made the upgrade, I hop into a game of Call of Duty Warzone. Man, this shit is amazing. But first, let's check out the upgrades that we made. First thing we added two brand new fans to the Skytech Blaze at the top up there, as you can see. Just to help with a little bit of the cooling, you know what I'm saying, because we add some stuff, so we needed to cool better too, so yeah. And secondly, we added two new RAMs in the RAM slots right there, as you can see. Just to follow up the slots, it was 16 gig at first, and now it's 32. So yeah, and after that, we added a 500 gig hard drive for more space for games and stuff. And yeah, we just added three new things to this Skytech Blaze, and yeah, let's see how does it perform in some Call of Duty. Yeah, let's check it out. Alright, currently now we're gonna play some Warzone. Yeah, I'm gonna hop into some Fortune's Keep. For me personally, I see the difference a lot. I'm winning more on my 1v1 gunfight. That's because I'm getting more frames and there's no delay and stuff. So now I'm playing the game a lot more better, more fluent. I'm enjoying the game a lot more better, and I'm just gonna let this gameplay speaks for itself, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let this gameplay speaks for itself. Y'all just watch this video, like this video, subscribe. Just watch this gameplay, man. After I upgrade the Skytech Blaze 3.0, this is how it performs in game. So y'all watch this video, like this video, subscribe for a brand new video, and let's get it.
La bestia, baby. Tú eres la bestia. Tú eres la bestia. Esta cabrón es conmigo. Este es pa'l carajo.
Aquí conmigo.
Porque sí. Viste, si puedo llegar.
¡Oh, vamos! Nice. ¡Ah, lo tumbé! Oh, shit. Pato, pato y perico.
Ese cabrón es malo.
Tracking enemy.
¡Oh! ¡Oh, otro más arriba, otro más arriba!
Nice.
Me robaron la kill. La gran puta. Los camparos del juego este.
Enemy is here. Of course it's a kill.
Muchos camperos, güey.
They're on to me.
Open, open, open.
Te comieron el culo.
abajo, dime no, es tu
Eres la bestia, en
papo.
verdad. Te ganaste un beso.
You got
Eres la
gas
bestia, gallo.
inbound. Safe zone relocated. Reinforcements are on the way.
Gallo, gallo, lo que sea, en verdad. Eres la bestia.
¡Qué puta!
Juego, me caga por el cabrón techo la mierda de juego esta, hostia. Ay.
Into the safe zone now.
¡Huepucha! ¡Huepucha! Oye lo que anda. Están ahí atrás, están ahí atrás.
Pero acá, ay, no.
Oh, what's up?
Ay, mano, ese chino que armaste Inter.
Aquí arriba, aquí arriba.
Come on, guys, we're frying, bro.
No. Bueno.
Into the new safe zone. Gas is closing in. Missile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Come on, get out of the car, bro. Nice. Good shit. Good shit, fellas.
Shit, folks.
Shit, man. Hey, GG's, bro. GG's, man. GG's, bro. GG, yeah.
GG, bro.
GG, bro, yeah. Nice.